and in this tutorial I'll show you how I created this friendship bracelet wristwatch. I love how this project turned out. Not only is it a good opportunity to use an old wristwatch that you wouldn't otherwise wear because the watch band is worn out, but it gives you a good excuse to try out some new patterns that you wouldn't have otherwise made because you have too many friendship bracelets already. If you want to see more tutorials like this one, let me know in the comments below. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell next to it so you get updates when I post new videos. Follow me on social media at Katrinaosity, check out my podcast at MDXpods.com, and if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. It really helps my videos get seen. Start this project by cutting the watch band away from whichever watch you choose. I used this one because the watch band was already ripped and worn out, and all you have to do is cut it away from the watch face as well as the buckle so that you can use that piece as well. Once you've done that, you're ready to start weaving your new watch band with whichever colors of embroidery floss you choose. Cut your strings to 70 inches each, then grabbing the ends of them, find the centers of each of them and tie that portion together in an overhand knot. This is the portion that you will clip up in your clipboard or secure with a safety pin in order to start your work. This one is just a simple chevron pattern. If you don't know how to do a chevron pattern friendship bracelet, make sure you watch my videos on how to do the 4 types of knots so that you can get familiar with this pattern before you try this project. It's very straightforward and I love this pattern because it's just very classic. After you've done about an inch of this pattern, you'll want to start putting notches into the band in order to secure the post in the buckle. All you do is skip that center knot that connects the 2 sides together for about 2 rows, and then when you do another row after that, you will include that center knot, and that way it closes off that hole and you just continue your bracelet the exact same way. Then do 4 or 5 more solid rows before you do another gap in that center hole to make another notch. This way you have several notches to choose from to adjust the size of your watch. Once your work is long enough to make up one side of your watch band, you'll want to slip the watch face over most of the strings, leaving out just the side strings. That way, when you continue your weaving work, those side strings will be holding on to the post of the watch face, and that way it won't slide around. You don't necessarily have to do this, but I think it's a good option to keep your watch face from sliding too close to the buckle. Then you'll continue your work the exact same way across the back of the watch face, and then repeat this same process on the other side, or you can just slip all of the strings completely through and continue your work, and that way it makes it easier to access the battery if you need to change it. Once you've completely finished the other side of your watch band, and it's as long as you need to wrap around your wrist plus some extra, you can just tie those strings on to that buckle portion in overhand knots using half of the strings on one side of the post and half of them on the other. Then finish them off with a braid and tie off the braid in an overhand knot. And that is your finished project. It's extremely straightforward. The hardest part of this is just getting the hang of doing that chevron friendship bracelet, but once you have the hang of that, you're ready to make one of these watch bands, and I absolutely love the way this one turned out. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more projects like this one, and if you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up. It really helps my videos get seen.